Alright, so now let us try this part of speech quiz and see how well you can name the different parts of speech in English. So there are 10 questions and each question will show you a sentence with a particular part of speech. Underline. You must then choose the correct part of speech from the answers provided. Ready to get started?
Yay! I am ready.
Okay, let's start. So I'll be sharing my screen. Okay, number 1. Please read the sentence.
I have an old car.
A, preposition. B, adjective. C, noun.
Easy adjective.
Okay, let's check. Correct. Number 2.
He is really tall.
Isn't it?
Isn't it?
Okay. Pronoun A, adjective B, or preposition C?
Pronoun.
Correct. Number 3. Please read the sentence.
Your books are in your backpack.
A, adjective, B, noun, or C, preposition?
Oh, preposition.
Well, let's see. Correct again. Number 4. Please read again the sentence.
If you study quietly, we can play a game at the end of class.
A, verb, B, adverb, or C, preposition?
Adverb.
Correct. Adverb. Number 5. Please read.
After school, I usually study English from 4 to 6 o'clock.
A, verb, B, adjective, or C, noun?
Verb.
Correct. Number 5. Number 6.
I really love going to school.
A, verb, B, preposition, or C, noun?
C, noun.
Correct. Number 7. Please read.
Have we met before?
A, verb, B, and interjection, or C, adverb?
Verb.
Correct. Number 8.
Well, I don't think I did well on that exam.
Okay. A, pronoun, B, interjection, or C, adverb?
Easy, it's interjection.
Magnificent. Number 9. Please read.
Okay, I called your phone, but nobody answered.
A, conjunction, B, interjection, or C, adverb?
A conjunction.
Well, let's see. Correct. Oh, last one, huh? Please read.
Let's get some lunch before class.
A, conjunction, B, adverb, or C, preposition?
Preposition.
Correct. Finally, let's see your result. OMG! You scored 100% on this quiz. Yes! Congratulations!